Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to download the jar file. So there are many students who ask me that. That's why I am going to bring the video. So here you can go to the MySQL connector jar download. Just type on the Google search. Click on this link, the first link. Okay, so this is if you get the new version, here it's look like this way. Here you have to select this one. You don't know what how to download this one. So here there are different operating systems here, but there are no Windows options. So here you have to select as platform independent. This is the Windows version. Okay, this is a platform independent. This is a Windows version. Here there is a jar file should be available. You click on this. Okay, so there are many students who ask me. It's very simple. Okay, so here this one you have to find the solution for it. So this is the simple one. Okay, if it is a new version, there will be change something else newly. So it is a platform independent. You get click on this. Okay, this is the platform because Java is a platform independent. It running every operating system. Okay, so you can install the platform independent. You can download them. Okay, so here you can get the MySQL connector over here. You click on this. It will be downloading. Download is done. Open on it. Right click it, cut it. You have to paste on it over here. Right click, extract file. Okay, MySQL connector. Okay, this one. This is the file. Okay, this is the file connected. So what I'm going to do is here I'm going to go over here. This is my file, newly create the file. Here I'm going to import this connection. So how to import this one? Click on this. Import the libraries. Right click, add jar file. Folder where I paste it in my folder. I'm going to put it my G folder G. Okay, this here. So here go to the G MySQL. You have to find press M key on your keyboard. Here this is a new version. Click, open it over here. Open it. Click on this one. Select and open it. Now you can see the libraries. This is libraries here. Successfully done it. It's successfully done. Successfully done. Okay. So here right click. You have to clean and build. This option you have to execute this particular option. Clean and build. Okay, build successfully. Okay, clean and build. You have to build the thing successfully. This is the thing you have to do it. Okay, to successfully edit the MySQL connector. Thank you.